This morning's topic is all about Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize myself and walk you through what I think might be of value to you as you move forward, trying to decide, is Canva going to be a good choice for me? Okay. First off, Canva can be free. I have purchased Canva. I think it's $119 for the year. You can either pay it in a lump sum or they'll just take it out month by month. And it's just so cool when I really was able to put my head around what was in here. Now, I'm a big Microsoft person. I love Publisher. I thought Publisher was the only way until I realized what was happening here. Okay, so First off, you guys can go to plans and pricings here and you can look at, the free version, okay? And basically, you can make these free designs for your social media. You can collaborate, you can publish, you can print, you can do presentations, videos, all of those things. And you can even, choose different color backgrounds. So if you like a certain style but you don't like the color, you can go in and change it. You can change different things that are in the choice that you want. If you create something and you like it, you can download it, you can save it, you can put it to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and it will change it for you automatically so it fits into that social media feed. So you can see that they have over 100 million contents in the library. They have over 100 million monthly users. You can visualize your ideas with ease. It's just crazy. So I don't know if you guys can see kind of what I'm seeing here, but you can choose from the templates. You can drop and drag. You can create, you can edit your existing files. You can choose professional styles. You can print design for bags and t-shirts. You can do business cards. You can do YouTube banners, Facebook banners. You can create charts. You can do things for LinkedIn. Yeah, it's just the gamut. So the free version is $0, right? It's, drop and drag, customize. There's 250 plus free templates. There's 100 designs, 1 million free photos and graphics. And then, of course, Magic Write. Magic Design are amazing. I'll go over just a little bit that today. And then you get 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. Now, Canva Pro is $119.99 for 1 year for one person. Okay, you have unlimited access to the premium templates, over 100 million premium stock photos, videos, audios. Whoa, I mean, you guys could spend your whole life in here and get lost. Or you could just say, I'm going to simplify this, right? You can establish your brand visual identity with logos, resize designs with the magic resize, remove image and video backgrounds, automatically match your video footage to your soundtrack. They have the AI power tool, magic eraser, schedule social media content to 8 platforms. And then you do have that 1 TB for cloud storage. I don't know what that means because I'm not an IT person, although a lot of you think that I am. I really don't know. It must be a lot, okay, that you can store in there. So that is for one person. I'm sure that there's different pricing programs out there for teams and so forth, but that's a little bit about Canva. Okay, under education, you can become, a content designer if you want. You can come in here and look at like the teams. Under the businesses here, they've got all sorts of different resources for you, okay? You can create brand team templates and so forth. The Learning Center, I love because I was not really familiar with Canva. I did spend some time in here. I just clicked on the getting started and I started to look at the videos. So, they have the homepage, starting, design, easy edit, simple sharing. You can download Canva to your phone. You can post from your phone. You can apply filters, make designs. It's Unbelievable, all of the things that you can do in Canva. Okay, so let's see if we can get back to my home page here. Okay, so this is kind of what the home page looks like. And I'm just going to go through some of these things so then y'all can see what's here and some suggestions. Of course, many of you have been doing Canva a lot longer than I have. I just have I did the recap on Canva the other day, and you know, there's people that have been doing this for 3 or 4 years. They still picked up a couple of big little nuggets. So if you are thinking that you are the pro, then let's get you in here and let's do a video so then we can share what you know about Canva as well. So I'm just going to come in here under Docs so then you guys can see this. The one thing about Canva, when you start something, it just continues to go. Like the page just continues to grow and grow and grow and grow. Okay. You can always start with a question and ask the document to give you some suggestions. And so to do that, you would just click on this and then you would hit magic right, and then you would ask a question in here. So I'm going to ask a question. You may want to use this for questions for your Google business page or for your blog page on your website, just so then you have some content. So let's just ask it a question like 5 ways to prepare my home for sale. Okay, so I asked that question and now it's going to go ahead and create this for me. So it says declutter, deep clean, make repairs, neutralize, boost curb appeal. Of course, we all know that staging is important. And then, you know, if they want to even go outside, you know, it's mentioning a lot about like that curb appeal, but even just that front door, your first impression starts at the door. Have a friend come over, smell the house. If it smells like, you know, cat or dog, then let's address that and try to neutralize those smells. So you can add as much as you want. If, say, you liked this and then you wanted to share it to like your Google page, you would have to open up the page and then go to the questionnaire. And some of you probably are wondering how to do that. So I'll show you just real quick, not to bounce all over the place, but it's always good when you're on topic just to go in, share what you know, so then no one feels like they're out here in left field and all by themselves. So I'm going to go to my actual Google page. This is what it looks like. So I can come in here under the question and answer. Okay, I can add in that question. And so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in and copy and paste. So 5 ways to prepare my home for sale. Okay, so I'm copying it. Come back over here to my Google. I'm going to, again, just copy and paste. Okay, 5 ways to prepare my home for sale. I'm going to say what are, because it's a question. What are the 5 ways to prepare my home for sale? Question mark. And then I'm going to post. Now, I'm going to hit done, and then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to answer it. So I'm going to come back into my Canva and we will throw this in there. So we're just going to copy it, right? And we'll come back over here to Google. We'll answer that and boom. Okay. Now here's the deal with Google. Google and YouTube are together. So if I ask this question in Google, I probably want to do maybe a short video answering the same question and then throw it on my YouTube shorts, because YouTube and Google are going to start to figure out that I'm the authority figure in this space. Okay. So if you don't have your Google page, be sure to meet with me. I know that this is not a Google class, but I'm telling you, you can up the ante with people finding you, and you can have a stronger digital footprint by just asking questions on your Google page, posting photos, and so forth. So, all right, back to Canva. Okay, so we just talked a little bit about the docs here. Now, let's say like I wanted to go ahead and I wanted to share this. Maybe I want to make a PDF. And so I can just click the share tab over here, and then it's going to ask me, do I want to download it? Yes, I do. And then it's going to say, okay, it's a standard PDF. I can come in here and I can decide if it's going to be a letter, and then I can download. Reasons for documents, again, could be for a buyer packet, a seller packet. Maybe you want to create your own little magazine, whatever that looks like. This is a great place to start. All right. If I wanted to add more here, if I'm going to come down here, hit add. I can do headings. I can change the body. I can put in a number list. I can do a bar chart. All of those things are in here, and I can change the color of my text. I can come in here. It's just kind of like a Word doc, so I can change anything that I want. And then you're going to see this little link right here. I can add one in here. Maybe I want to add in another presentation, or maybe I want to put in a link to a website. Okay, I can do all of those things. I can come underneath my brand hub. I have uploaded my logo. I can throw that in as well. I do have the capacity to put in different colors for my brand, along with different titles, subtitles, and so forth. So that all comes into play. I can move this around. I can delete it. I can add more, but just know that it's here. Okay. Maybe now I want to go under photos. Now, under photos, these are all of the templates that Canva Pro offers. You do get photos, the free version, just not as many. So let's say like I like, let's see, let's go in here, and I'm going to put in house. Okay, for photos, maybe I like the modern, maybe I like this picture, then I can add that picture in there. If I decide that I want to change this right here, maybe I want to have it be centered, I can. So that's just a little bit about docs. Okay, we'll go back to the home page. If you notice up here, if you do whiteboards, you can create them. I'm not going to go through that today, but if you guys give me enough feedback that you want to learn more about whiteboards, I'm happy to go ahead and go through that. But for today's class, I just want you guys to know that you can create Facebook posts. You can do create your own covers. You can do Instagram stories, flyers. You can do Instagram posts. You can do presentations, laminate posts. You can do photo collages, create your own logos. You can do infographics. You can do the WhatsApp app, wallpaper, mobile video, cards. Maybe you want to make it a point to send out 5 thank you cards a day. You can, put together a card with your contact information, your face. You can do thank you for choosing me as your realtor. It's been great working with you. And then you can send it to either your printer, or you can go ahead and order through Canva yourself, or you can send it over to the Omaha Area Board print shop, whatever you guys would like. Again, here's your YouTube banners, YouTube templates, thumbnails, and then also ebooks. So why would we want to create ebooks? Things like you may want to create an ebook, a free ebook on how to sell your home before you go purchase your house, or how do you purchase a house before you sell your home. There's some steps right there. You could talk about the 184 things that a realtor does to, during the real estate transaction, from, prior to the appointment, pricing strategies, marketing strategies, listing to pending to close, and then after the close. Okay. All right. I am going to come down here. I started this recent design. This is just a magazine choice or booklet that I chose. You can see that there's all sorts of different things in here, from, you can create guidebooks. This one just happens to be weddings. You can go under the handbook. You can type in real estate, see what's out there. Hang on, let me type in real estate, see if this is going to work. The minute I say this is the minute things go goofy. Okay, so that's where this one came in. And then if I don't like this picture, I can go ahead and drag in another one. I can change all of my fonts. What's really cool is if you decide to say this is a digital template, have this highlighted, and then I can animate my my words. And as I hover over these, I can see kind of like what's going to happen to the wording when somebody opens it up. Okay. I can change all of the information in here. I can also come in here and change the colors. So if my colors are different than this, I can make that change. All right. So be thinking about booklets that you can put together. Think about if you're representing a new build, maybe you're representing a seller that lives in a community, maybe it's 55 and older, and you want to talk about all of the fun things that they do for that community. Maybe you want to do a buyer packet and you want to talk to your buyer about all of the things that happen in the real estate transaction, even how to write that the best offer strategies, things that they're going to be up against, suggestions, what happens once they go pending. These would be really cool books to send out and, you know, just share. And again, remember, our job is to educate and also be the brand of choice. So how are you going to do that? That is the question. When you come in here, you can look at different elements. So maybe I want to add a little star in here. I can. Maybe I want to go ahead and move it up here. And then maybe I want to go ahead and, you know, change the transparency so it's there, but it's not, you know, involved or taking out the word introduction. Okay. Maybe I have something important that I want somebody to note. I can grab a circle. And then I can drop it. Well, let's see. I thought I was going to grab that. Let's see if it'll do it again. I can just go ahead and drop it in. So all I'm doing is grabbing and I am dragging it over. Okay. So that's really, really cool. Once I'm all done with this, if I like it, say I've gone through everything, I want to download it. Maybe I want to print my design, share it on social media. I can click on my More tab. Maybe I want to create a QR code for this. Add it to a website, share the link for someone to watch, view as a link only, create it as a presentation. The choice is unlimited, okay? I can put it over onto my Google Drive, my Dropbox. I can send it out through my WhatsApp app, text messaging, and so forth. So it's pretty cool. It's all here. So hopefully you guys are seeing something here that you guys really, really like. Okay. One last thing, I'm going to just click on this little box right here. I can go ahead. I can, you know, delete this. I can go back over to my doc, create something in my Magic Write, and then copy and paste and bring it over here and, you know, have Canva help me as I am trying to give the right narrative for my audience. Okay. You can draw. So, you know, you can highlight things. So maybe there's something in here and you want to make sure that it's highlighted. You can do that. If I want to change my text, maybe under introduction, I want to change that to this font. I can delete this one here, and then I can bring up the word glow, and then I can come in here and I can change it to the word introduction. Okay, and then I need to change my font size. So we'll go ahead and change it to 100. See if that will get us to the right size. Okay, and maybe I need to go ahead and make that a little bit smaller to fit into the page. I can do that, and then I can drag it down. Hopefully it's going to let me. Sometimes when I have Zoom open, it doesn't like to do these things. So if it doesn't do that at this moment, I am not going to worry about it because we've got too much to talk about. Yeah, it's not going to let me, and I'm okay with that. All right, say I'm done. I want to go ahead and share it. I can. If I want to download it, I can. We've kind of gone all over with that. I'm going to just click on the print design so then you guys can see that. I can decide, okay, what do I want this particular thing to be printed out? I can make my choices. All right. Look at this, guys. You can create calendars, notebooks, water bottles, tags, you name it. It's all here. How far do you want to take your business? How about some mouse pads, letterheads, t-shirts, sweatshirts, folding cards? Maybe you guys are going to be doing events, yard signs. It's here for the taking. Retractable banners. Holy buckets. It's here, it's here, it's here. Okay. All right, let's go back to the home page. Let's say like I want to go ahead and create something for my Facebook page. I can go ahead and create. I can start with the blank one if I want to. I can say, oh, hey, I wanted to create something for Mother's Day. Maybe I don't necessarily like something. I can come in here. I can edit that image. I can do just about anything that I want. Okay. So maybe I like this trippy one. I don't know what it's going to do, but you can come in here and then you can play with it. Okay. All right. Trippy would look like this. Okay. So that's what that would look like. Okay. Obviously I don't like that, but you guys are getting the idea. I can animate again. I can make that kind of slide across the page. I can make it, let's see, go up and down. I can position it any way that I want. All right, you guys are kind of getting the idea here. Say I like this and I want to go ahead and share it to Facebook. I would just click on Facebook and head it over. There, now the pro version, it's that $199.99 for the year, but I could schedule out all my content. So we've got some other holidays that are coming up, Father's Day. Well, wait, I guess it's Memorial Day, then it's Father's Day, and then Labor Day. So I can come in here and I can create all sorts of different things. You can also just come here to the home page here. Okay, and then you can just search for different topics. So maybe I want Facebook here. Okay, and then it's going to come in here and it's going to say, okay, here are some choices, and then I can choose what I want. Okay. Trying to keep this really simple because I know what it's like to be going, oh my gosh, this is a lot. So I don't want to overwhelm you, but I just want you guys to know that all of these things are in here. I'm going to go to the presentation here. Let's say like you've got a presentation that's coming up and you're going to be the speaker for a men's group, women's group, maybe it's a youth group, whatever, and you have a certain topic, you can come in here and you can pick it out. So we'll go ahead, a presentation. I'll just do real estate. Let's see. Maybe you're even going on a new listing. Okay. You could go ahead and grab that template. Okay. And then I can decide, okay, yeah, I want this one as my first one. This would be my second. This would be my third. And then I can just keep on going through here and picking what all I want in here. Okay. And then I can go ahead and go to the very first page and start making my changes. Once I've done everything that I like, I can go ahead and hit share. I can download it. I can present it. I can present and record, meaning I can present it and record what's said on that and save that for a later date, send it electronically, and then I can also save it as a view link. I can click the more tab again, and then I can see all of my choices. I can even make this presentation and turn it into a QR code. So I can go ahead and click on that. It's generating my QR code, and then here it is. And then I can go ahead and generate that. Don't really like it, but it's okay. That's what they did. I'm cool with it. All right. All right, let's go back to the home page. And just keep in mind that you guys can click on any of these things. You can create your own website, your own domain. You can, just kind of come in here and look at different things here. Maybe you want to create a bio website link that talks all about you. Maybe you want to talk about all your services. Just know that it's all here and it's available for you. I'm going to go under the social media tab, and I will grab something, animated Instagram post. Okay, let's grab this. And then I can go ahead and maybe I like this one. Okay. And then I can come in here and I can make my changes, and then I can hit share, and I can click on social media, and then I can determine which one. Now this one, remember, this one was for Instagram, but I could go ahead and share it to Facebook. It will make the changes for me. Okay. So if you guys want to elevate your business and get creative, just slot out some time. If you go with the pro, you guys can come in here and have it set up. You can work on your posts and everything, and set it up so then you have something being posted all of the time. Now, before I close, I do want to share one thing in Sochi. Some of you do have your Sochi set up in the actually, I don't think I can show this to you because my resource center wasn't up on Friday. So I'm not going to show this to you, but I'm going to tell you that if you go to bhhsresource.com, go under social media, the tab there, and click on Sochi. When you are posting, you can open up the link to Canva, and then you can schedule out different posts using Canva from that, and then it will go across all of your feeds. So Instagram, Facebook, Google, your Google page, LinkedIn. I can't remember if Twitter's in there, but just go in there and look at it. If you guys need help with that, please do not hesitate to call me. I'm happy to assist you. I hope that you took some nuggets out of the Canva recap, quick little video. Just know that I'm here for you. You can contact me at 402-250-7042. I hope you guys have a great day. Happy home selling.